What?
That's where you want to be. Look, see them ones right on your shoulder there, look. Them
Ooh,
ones there.
ooh,
Big
ooh,
ones,
ooh.
big ones.
The big one, yeah, not them, look. Yeah, that'll do.
Take
Yeah.
it.
That big one there's a big one underneath. Look. There, look, underneath. Move your hand down.
You're going for big, mate, not tiny.
Yeah. Right. Look there, look at that
The
one
big
there.
one there, you dick. Look, right in front of your eyes. In front of your eyes. Turn round this way. There.
Jake, it's there, right in front of your eyes. You fucking child
What,
half
this
a
one?
fucking quarter of a brain in his head, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Hold up, hold up.
The one where your hand is. Your hand's
Still
holding
hasn't
it.
got it.
Your hand's holding it.
Oh,
that
this
one.
one.
Oh, God forbid.
God. Well, look at that.
Monkey?
Look at that.
Monkey. Get the ones at the top there, Jakey.
That's what I'm trying to
Well, you
do.
can put your foot on the branch then now and spread out.
Spread out across the tree. Yeah, that's it. You're up there now. Look, yeah, you're up there.
Yeah.
Go on, get up there.
So dangerous.
Cowardly wretch.
Yeah,
Huh?
I'm climbing a tree. Do you
Well,
really
get climbing and stop
Trees is not
yapping.
dangerous. It's the
Them
fall-
big ones right at
it's
the
the falling
top.
out of
there.
them that's dangerous.
Oh,
There's
oh.
a big one, look. Get bigger. Get Bobby
Does
bigger.
that record sound as well?
Bobby Biggin.
Oh, right. You should mention that, Nick. You know what I mean?
Bobby Biggin.
Go on, look, there's a monster there. Look. Here, look.
Where?
Here.
That one.
Yeah.
That one's poison though.
Have a
But
look.
Jesus.
That's not a touch, that one. It's all right.
Yeah, that's right. Little monsters.
Baz.
Oh, hold up, man. Hold up, I'm going to get a bag or something. I can smell the breath for the...
Don't
Baz.
throw them at people, Jake.
I wasn't. Baz is just a bad catcher.
Look, put this leg over there, look. In the middle. On the big branch, on the big branch. That's it. Now grab the middle. Grab the middle.
Grab
There you go, you're up. Right, let's go in your ghoulies a bit now.
that's painful.
Alright, I broke it off.